Alright guys, 4.6 Savage here, and today we're going to talk about coil packs. I am going to be doing an install video on some coil packs. Now, if I unplug these, you'll see my issue here. Of course, my connectors are all torn up. I don't have the clips on them anymore. They just pull right out. Normally I'm not doing this one-handed either. See, the connectors are broken on both coils. So what I'm going to do to fix that is we got some new Screaming Demon coils here. As you can see, they're by Performance Distributors. I do not have the live wires. I'm using 8mm wire though. As you can see, it's 8mm. It's heat protective. But what we're gonna do is these are 45,000 volt coils. These coils are meant for performance use. They claim 3 horsepower over after 6,000, which most GTs don't run out 6,000. But I wanted coil packs before I started rubbing it out. So first off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your plug wires and you're gonna go and you're gonna pull them off. You're only gonna do one plug at a time, well, one coil pack at a time. So you pull them off, you set them where you know they go. So like that, I know all those wires go like that. So this one will go here, this one will go here, this one will go here, and this one will go here. And that's for later if I have to review the video. And then you'll take the video, you'll take a coil pack and you'll take out these 4 bolts. Let me pause this and get my tools out. Alright, so there's 7mm bolts, as you can see. And go ahead and take them off. Now you're going to make sure you want this ground screwed into the coil pack. A lot of people forget about those and cause issues because the coil pack's not grounded out the way it should be. Now, as you see here, go ahead and I forgot to charge my GoPro. That's the reason I'm using the phone. So blame stupid old me for the shitty video quality, but that's how it is. And basically all you do is pull up, and you're going to want to put those somewhere so you don't lose them. Help if I use the correct end of the thing. We've also got another surprise coming. I've got a new couple install vids coming. This video here will drop Wednesday. So anybody who's watching it now, thank you for subscribing and watching, and keep doing it. I'm gonna be dropping videos on Sundays and on Wednesdays. It depends how I'm feeling, but it's gonna be sporadic whether I drop on Wednesday or Sunday, but I'm gonna try to drop on both. I'm trying to get more into the algorithms of YouTube and not, just dropping videos whenever. But I wish I had some dielectric grease. I can always put that on later though. And then last bolt. This one's being a little bit. So now that we have the last bolt out, you will take the coil pack and pull off, set to the side. Car's down, I can't take anybody. And then you'll set the new coil pack on, and it sits just like that. And you'll go and start your bolt. You'll start your bolts. So there's that one. And tell me, guys, what did I just forget after telling y'all to do it? Move this bolt over here. That's right, the ground. After making a big deal out of it, I forgot your ground. Put that there for a second, real quick. And put this ground in. And the final bolt. And it'll look like that. And then you'll take your plug wires this one way. There, this one way. Here, this one way. Here. You gotta make sure they click down. And then this one went here. Some of them snap, some of them don't. It all depends how your fingers grip, and then you go ahead and pull the coil off. Now let me go tighten these down. And now the coil pack is all bolted down. As you can see, all four corners are tight, the ground is on. And now we pull this and we plug it in. And that coil is done. Now let me do the other side real quick and we can get it done. Alright, so both coil packs are now on. As you can see here, both coil packs are screwed on. Now we're gonna set the coil pack. As you can see, here's the other coil packs. I had previously glued the connector, but they were coming apart. Same on this side, I JB welded it. But these coils were old. Now let's go ahead and give it a start up, shall we? Hopefully it starts, right? About to find out. Starts and runs okay. I was hoping they'd cut down the response time. My plugs are set at 0.48 currently, but everything else seems to be okay. That's all for this video. Remember, like and subscribe and be savage.